So I am writing here exercise 8.1. I am following the standard NCERT. So this NCERT, I think it covered most of the CBSC and RBSC. As of my knowledge, these are the boards which follow NCERT, and mainly NCERT follow everywhere. If your curriculum is following some other book, that would be very similar to NCERT. So if you do the NCERT, you can have, like I'm telling you, if you do this, you can have all the questions of trigonometry. You can extort any question. So coming back to our exercise, part of 8.1, the first question I am reading it. I am writing the question here. In triangle ABC, and it is given that it is right angle. It is right angle at B. Okay. So here, sides are given. AB equals to 24. BC equals to 7 centimeter. What you need to find is, you need to find sine A and cos A. Okay, so first thing you need to make is a triangle. Make a triangle. And what is your triangle is? ABC. ABC is your triangle and right angle at B. So this is your right angle. Just first put B here. And now you can ABC. Make sure whenever you draw any shape, be it triangle, be it rectangle, or any shape, if it is given ABC, put the names in an order. ABC only. Do not write ACB. Okay, if it is given, that is there must be some reason, because it is given line wise. So all the calculation, if you are doing, and like just as we do the ratio thing and side ratio angle thing, so you need to be careful that you put the names that ABC triangle in orderly form as it is given. So first we need to find sine A. Okay, now sine is C. This will be a little difficult. Okay, just as I told you that you need to be, what you need to do is put the name in orderly form. Now you see, we are calculating this angle, but it is asked about this A angle. So what you need to do is just change it into our standard form. So your A angle will be here. What I will do is, I will flip this and this will become A, B, C. See here, I changed my angle. This will be my angle A. And it does not change the orientation. B is at 90 degree only. So now what you will do is, value of sine A. So sine A would be like sine measurement of this angle would be concerning this length, that is your perpendicular, and this length, that is your hypotenuse. Just look the previous formula, which what we have did here. Sine theta was perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So similarly, I'm using initial perpendicular hypotenuse. So in this triangle ABC, this angle A has perpendicular BC. So I will write BC upon, what is your hypotenuse here? According to this diagram, your hypotenuse is AC. So just write BC. BC is your given, that is 7. And AC, okay, here's a catch. AC is not given in this diagram. You are given AB equals to 24. Just write it here. AB equals to, I will redraw it. And I'm not drawing NYC. AB equals to your 24, BC is 7. So what is this hypotenuse? Okay, I think you have heard the Pythagoras theorem very clearly. It is of like 8th topic. So I'm assuming you all know Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, I write hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular plus base square. Now what is hypotenuse? That is unknown. Just keep it as length. perpendicular square. Perpendicular is your 7. Square of 7 and base is your 24. Square of 24. Hypotenuse square will be written as h square. 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. Now when you add this 9 will add in 6 and it will become 9, 6, it will become 5. 7 carry 1 and 4, 12, and 5 carry 1 will be 625. That will be a hypotenuse 12. And when you find the hypotenuse, that will be root of 625. That will be equal to your 25. So your hypotenuse here is 25. And according to this, AC, you have find the AC, that is 25. So your sine angle will be 25. Now we need to find cos A2 according to diagram. Again, see the diagram. Cos A, what will be cos A? It will be base upon hypotenuse. So what is the base here? AB is the base here and same AC is the hypotenuse. The value of AB is 24 and the value of AC is 25. So 24 by 25 is your cos A and 7 by 25 is your sine. That is the correct answer for your first question. I think this is the first part only. We did only the first part. Okay. Now you need to find in the second part. Let's change the slide. Second part of same question. What you need to do is you need to find sine C and cos C. Okay. And taking you back to this slide. First you see, when in the starting only I made C here. But we need to find the angle A and its sines and cosines angles. So I flip it up. Now I will again make the triangle as we make it in a big way. That is 90 degree at B, C here, A here, and yeah, this was 90 degree. This is your angle C. And don't get confusion, this C and this C. This C is the point and this is angle C. Okay. So here, and what are the measures? Let me check here. AB was 24, BC was 7, and hypotenuse was 25. Hypotenuse will remain same because we just flipped the triangle. We did not do any other changing. So according to this, what will be your sine C? Again, sine C will not change. It is a ratio and it will not change. Perpendicular hypotenuse. Okay, see, here is one thing. Now your perpendicular, according to the sine angle, has changed from the previous one. The ratio will remain the same, but you need to check if this is the perpendicular corresponding to this angle. So what you do is check this angle and check the perpendicular. What is the perpendicular here? 24 is the perpendicular here. And the concerned hypotenuse is 25. So your sine C is 24 by 25. Now for cos C, what is your cos C? Cos C will be your base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Okay, according to this arrangement, according to this angle, see what is the corresponding base. So you can see 7 is the corresponding base. And what is the corresponding hypotenuse? 7 by 25 is the corresponding hypotenuse. So you have value of sine C and you have value of cos C as well. The value of here sine A and cos A. That concludes your question number A.